stay with us. Pasha, what do you say?
I would like to say, can you hear me well enough?
Yes,
Can you
fantastic.
hear me well enough? I would like to say that to me it's some kind of time for my, as it were, for more step forwards, for more step forwards, because I have just finished my first two Yiddish classes, Yiddish online classes. With Natalia Krenitska, both of them at Arbeter Ring, both intermediate, so one of them more conversation oriented. Can you hear me well? And it was my first semester, if not count my very first class, which I got in Lawrence, Kansas, years ago, 20 years ago, in 2000. And this milestone makes me recall the beautiful question that I was asked by Misha Krutikov, by Professor Mikhail Krutikov of University of Michigan, who 10 years ago initiated and curated my stay there, the artistic residence at Ann Arbor, and from whom I learned there quite a lot. And he asked me once, very cleverly, if I had any fear of learning Yiddish a little bit better. It was very much to the point, because my thing has always been, as it were, my frankness about me and the language, performing a true story, not about myself and Yiddish or some other language, as it were, as long as it's flirting with me. So without any kind of play pretend, not imitating a better knowledge. Such as overheard accents and so on. But rather oppositely, stressing the distance, stressing the artisticality, emphasizing differences, emphasizing gaps and borderlines. So this is the song that was written there during my stay at Ann Arbor. We wrote it together with Sasha Hoffman, who was teaching Yiddish at that time there, and now she teaches at Toronto University. And so we contemplated together about how Mark Warshawski, who wrote this song, very famous song, so we contemplated together how he might have meant corporal punishments while he was writing about school, about elementary Yiddish school of years ago in Shtetl, which now is perceived by many as some kind of nostalgic song about how Shtetl was cute. So later, the song, I'll tell you what later happened to the song. First I want to sing it. This is a very famous Mark Warshawski song. Can you hear me? Learned by every Jew. If you wanna sing along, just sing along. But the words are new. If you wanna sing along, just sing along. But the words are new. I will sing a verkürzt version of the song, with mostly Yiddish, but some English is inevitable. Auf und Pripetschik brennt a Feierl, und im Stub ist heiß, und der Rebbe mit die kleine Kinderlach lernt alles Beis. Und die Rebbe mit die schöne Kinderlach lernt alles Beis. Still hearable? Lernt Kinderlach mit groß Moheure, heben non ist schwer. Glücklich ist der Mann, was lernt Jiddisch Repertoire, darf man gar nicht mehr. Glücklich ist der Mann, was lernt Jiddisch Repertoire. Sie me darf noch mehr, als ihr wird kinderlich a Patschel kriegen, ot ihr allein verstehen, wie viel in die Äusjes Tränen liegen und wie viel gewehen und wie viel hat man dorten vergeniegen. Oi, weißt ihr, was ich mein? Als ihr wird kinderlich dem Goles schleppen, ois gemutschet sein, wird ihr doch der Mone nahe reben, was Tage steckt da rein. Wird ihr doch der Mone nahe reben, was Tage steckt da rein. when the exilic life will be thrilling you every day and night. Just remember your old Rebbe grilling you mid the passage right. Just remember your old Rebbe drilling you and the passage right. So we don't need no education, we don't need no thought control, no more dark sarcasm in the classroom. Hey Rebbe, leave us kids alone. Sag dir noch einmal und danke noch einmal und noch einmal und noch einmal und noch einmal und noch einmal. Komet's? Aleph? Ouch!
Thanks, Psoy.
This is so, and later this song was featured in the play Wooden Wars by Jana Mazurkiewicz, also an Ann Arbor person. I recently watched and enjoyed the play, and the play is very interesting itself. It deals with mixed up ethnic, cultural, religious, linguistical identities, and how Yiddish heritage and specifically Yiddish language mediates these. It makes me remember another play which is in fact very literally coherent to that one, because it's also about mixing up languages, mixing up identities, mixing up linguistical and cultural situations. But you know what? I will not sing it now. Yeah, I will sing another one, because this is a premiere-oriented show. So I want to make a premiere, and I want to sing something which is really new. The song is new because it's my first composer experience. I wrote this to the lyrics by Aaron Kushnerov, a prominent Yiddish poet, writer, editor, and translator. And the song is about two rivers. Yes, I'm here. You just want me to sing already, right? Zwei Teichen. Auf der Welt wie viel Teichen voran, wie viel nächtige schöne Teichen. Nur zwei Teichen, Bira und Bijan. Ich will nicht kein Mal von See nicht vergleichen. Nicht der Fahr, nur weil sie sind schön. Nicht der Fahr, euch, weil mächtig sie strömen. Nur der Fahr, sie oben mein Heim. Also prächtig beschenkt mit a Nomen. Could you hear me?
Basha, everything is heard beautifully. It's a wonderful song and everything is going so smoothly. And thank you very much. I just want to say thank you very much for your courage, for jumping in. I don't know how you're doing it. Please sing. Thank you.
There is just this weird thing in the last song. There was a mistake. I said zwei asach nächtige Teichen, many like rivers of yesterday, but I actually meant mächtige, mighty rivers. Yeah, but these letters are very alike. I mean, letters not, but sounds. M and N, they are very alike. So that's why it was kind of missounding the sound. So the other thing is this. Nacht, die singst da nieder. träumen. Du all Wonne scheint sich strömen durch den Menschens stiller Brist. Und mir leuchten sie mit Trist, und mir leuchten sie mit Trist. Rieft men ois Batug vertracht, kim zerige benchte Nacht. Ay, Chaloimes, kim schon wieder. Oy, Chaloimes, kim geschwinder.
So I have a short question to you, because we are talking about styles and genres. I will say in Russian. Паша, у меня к тебе вопрос. Мы говорим о стилях и жанрах, и вопрос очень короткий. Я попрошу перевести его на английский язык Полину. Как бы ты охарактеризовал свой стиль в исполнении идышской песни? Можешь ли ты его назвать стилем каким-то, может быть, он какой-то новый, какой-то еще неизведанный, потому что то, что ты делаешь, это совершенно фантастика, это ни на кого не похоже, это удивительно.
So
Polina, please
Efim's
translate.
question to Psoy is, if to make everything short, is how do you define your own style in Yiddish song, Psoy?
This is a folk cabaret, often multilingual, not necessarily Yiddish. I perform Yiddish as a multilingual language, and now that I've started learning more of it, this cabaret will probably acquire some more officially Yiddishist features, but probably not, because I have been working with this language for years. I've been loving this language, even translating to and from it. Intermediate knowledge of a language does not necessarily make you a great poet in it, but in many genres it's the condition sine qua non. I'm joking, of course.
Я надеюсь, что и нашим русским слушателям понятно все, что говорит Псой, потому что его язык, на каком бы языке он ни говорил, он очень объемный, глубокий и такой вот интернациональный. So let's go ahead, please. Your next piece.
I want to sing a song which was written originally by myself in Russian. It was translated later by Daniel Kahn. Also, a line of it, Borach Hashem Askener Kenit Shedik and Yam, was suggested by Janina Wurms. I want to sing the song just in Yiddish. Beimer seinen do gewesen, tuki laki tuki. Beimer seinen do gewesen, weißt du was ist geschehen? Die Wälder hat man abgeschnitten, tuki laki tuki. Mit Felder hat man sie verbieten, das ist einmal geschehen. Gewinn a Teichel schein und Poschet, tuki laki tuki. Gewinn a Teichel schein und Poschet, weißt du was ist geschehen? Der Teig geworden ist verschlöschet, tuki laki tuki. Der Teig geworden ist verschlöschet, das ist einmal geschehen. O tuki laki tuki, o tuki laki tuki. Baruch Hashem, as keiner kennt schädig in dem Yam. O tuki laki tuki, o tuki laki tuki. Baruch Hashem, as keiner kennt schädig in dem Yam. So da gelebt wilde Haie, Tuki, Laki, Tuki, mit Fischerlach und Fegelfreie, weißt du, was ist geschehen? So haben Menschen da gelebt, Tuki, Laki, Tuki, Deures haben sich gespielt, weißt du, was ist geschehen? O Tuki, Laki, Tuki, O Tuki, Laki, Tuki, Baruch Hashem, as keiner kennt Schädigung beim Jam. O Tuki, Laki, Tuki, O Tuki, Laki, Tuki, Baruch Hashem, as keiner kennt Schädigung beim Jam. Die Haies haben mir gegessen, Tuki, Laki, Tuki, die Fegelach und Fisch gefressen, tell me do you recall? Die Menschen hat mir nun gebracht, Tuki, Laki, Tuki, die Scheres hat die Welt verracht, das ist einmal geschehen. O Tuki, Laki, Tuki, O Tuki, Laki, Tuki, Baruch Hashem, as keiner kennt Schädigung im Jam. O Tuki, Laki, Tuki, O Tuki, Laki, Tuki, Baruch Hashem, as keiner kennt Schädigung im Jam. Wir fahren alle heim zusammen, Tuki, Laki, Tuki, auf dem Gessel bei die Jammen, weißt du, was ist geschehen? Die Verrazano brick auf hinten, Tuki, Laki, Tuki, vorn gegen diese Winden, das ist einmal geschehen. O Tuki, Laki, Tuki, O Tuki, Laki, Tuki, Baruch Hashem, as keiner kennt Schädigung dem Jam. O Tuki, Laki, Tuki, O Tuki, Laki, Tuki, Baruch Hashem, as keiner kennt Schädigung dem Jam. So, I want to sing two humorous songs. Two humorous songs, like they are sort of pastiche, silly songs. One of them belongs to the heritage of the very important Yiddish chansonnier known as Nathan Prince Nazarov, whose heritage we reimagined and replayed several years ago with a beautiful international super band, Brothers Nazarov. The project was initiated by Daniel Kahn and also featured our dear friend, comrade, and teacher in many ways, for many of us, Michael Alpert, who is joining us soon, and there is also Bob Cohen and Jake Schulman-Mant, and many other people. From time to time, we are all brothers Nazarov, invented nephews of a real uncle, and this is some of his songs. It's one of the silliest songs I know in the world. It's very silly. It's extremely stupid, and this extreme stupidity makes us genial. Oi, die Weg, net, this key is better. Auf die Wegen reine, auf die Felder freier, will ich mir rausgehen, sich mein Getreie. Tralala, la 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 la, tralala la 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 la, tralala 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 la 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 la, tralala la 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 la, tralala la la la. Auf die reine Wegen, auf die Felder freie, will ich mir rausgehen, sichern mein Getreie. Tralala la 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 la, tralala la 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 la, tralala la 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 la, tralala la la la, tralala la 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 la, tralala la 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 la, tralala la 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 la, tralala la la la. Tralala is an untranslatable idiom which you often meet in comedic verses. It's translated to and from Yiddish as tralala la 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 la. Weil ich sich gefinnen auf die reine Wegen, wird sie mit der Schmeichel kommen mir entgegen. Tralala la 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 la, tralala la 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 la, tralala la 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 la, tralala la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, wird sie mit die Augen kischen mich in Glätten, weil ich fahr ihr Knien, weil ich zieh ihr Betten, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, weil ich zieh ziehen, sie arrim zu nehmen, weil sie sich nicht losen, smiedig verschämen, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, lieben mis a Narrischkeit, mir mis noch sein a Jink, will men nor a Mädele, braucht men nor a Ring, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, schenkt men mir a Zatzkele, verlieben sie sich bald, sucht men sie nor Ljuben, ju spaziert men schön in Wald, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la. Laila means nacht in Lashon Kodesh. Lailo,
Thank you very
Lailo.
much. If I may interrupt you just for a minute, because this is
Oh
my-
yes, sure.
You know why? Because I want to remind people about this, that we are running totally on voluntary steam, and we would like people to pay you, cover you in gold, cover you in cash, cover you in dollars.
And in this,
So-
yeah. And in this case, I want to remind you that you promised to perform today one of my favorite songs, which we many of the people saw in the YouTube, Human Bienen. Please, if
Yes,
it's possible,
yes.
please
Wait.
do that. No,
Fima,
no?
let me just
Yeah.
come on, guys,
Sure.
business first. Let me just announce how
Yeah,
people
of
can
course.
pay Psoy, because some people are paying our general fundraiser. The general fundraiser that's on our page on my website will go to all the musicians. If you want to pay Psoy directly, there is a PayPal link that's now in the chat. Please copy it from one live stream to another live stream and let the whole world know that Psoy needs to be paid for this fantastic work. Please support Psoy. PayPal link in the chat. Thank you.
Oh yeah, but in Russian, the Russian visitors also have to know this information. Вы можете платить напрямую, вы можете в чате увидеть прямой линк на плату для Псоя за его замечательный концерт, и вы можете посылать ваши пожертвования на общие сборы, мы поделим их, мы возьмем прямо такой длинный сантиметр и поделим на всех наших участников. Пожалуйста, сделайте ваш выбор, а лучше немножко туда, немножко сюда. Смотрите, это ваш выбор.
И еще одно маленькое замечание. У нас потрясающие комментарии. We have fantastic comments on Facebook Live. Pasha, you will be inspired. You should see it once you've done your set. It's amazing. Thank you.
What is it? What a comment.
Lots of great comments. They love your songs. People are very, finding it
I just
very
want to
inspiring.
say, I mentioned one song which I was doubting whether I should sing or not. This song, it was like it something resembles Schubert, but not exactly Schubert. It's called it's called Haloimes, and this is a title song. For 20 years ago, there was this project over many beautiful people. Boris Filanovsky, who curated projects in Petersburg, musical projects in Petersburg, in the Institute Pro Arte, with this beautiful conservatory band, symphonic band, which is called Ensemble, and the composer Yuri Krasavin, also Pyotr Pospelov. So this project was, it's some kind of, much like Wooden Wars, which I mentioned already today, much like Wooden Wars, it addresses mixtures of identities and playfully refers to many motifs of early Zionism and early Russian what's called Silver Age, modernity, with a lot of mystical and quasi-mystical, parodical mystical motifs. And it features Schubert songs with new Yiddish lyrics, which was written, again, by me, or translated roughly from German into Yiddish, which the two languages are alike, you know. And I was very much helped by Andrei Bretstein, who actually corrected a lot of my mistakes in Yiddish, grammar mistakes in Yiddish, and suggested many lines and ideas. And I want to sing one of the songs now, which, I mean, I already did it. It's later I will do it better. It will be more like Schubert, but I want to introduce the name of this song. Originally it's Nacht und Träume, Night and Dreams, and in this project it's a title song for the cantata. It's called Chaloimes. So why am I saying this? I just want to wish every one of us that may all dreams come true. May all Chaloimes be not puste Chaloimes, but be like constructive dreams that come true. That's what we want for all of us to happen, right? This is why I sing these songs, sometimes stupidly, sometimes with inspiration. Yeah, so now I want to sing something, another one, like another humorous song. This song belongs to, this song, I know this song. It's a traditional song. It has a lot of traditional like pages in its history. Literally, I know its song from from Professor Anne Sterches from Toronto University, who has literally initiated me into the work with Beregovsky Archive by inviting me to this gorgeous project, Yiddish Glory, which is just only starting now. We have already recorded a CD, but we are making new repertoires. Some of them are humorous songs. And the song is, it's a humorous song written in early 40s. After Stalingrad, it was written, the lyrics were written in Transnistria, but the original music is from a song which we know from repertoire of Leibu Levin, and he says that he learned it from his mother, and this is a humorous song which is called the Naya Hasene. It's about how a groom by mistake went to a chuppah, to a wedding with his future mother-in-law instead of his bride. And in this new song, Hitler suddenly marries a Katyusha, a Soviet tank, which is his bride. So that's what's called an Hasene, and it makes fun of Hitler because many people know that Katyusha is a tank. But in fact, Katyusha is also a name. And it's also a female name in Russian, like Katya, like Catherine, or Kate, and that's why it's also a popular love songs from many generations. It's about war and love, but this song is about how Hitler married a Katyusha. So how it happens? It's a narrative, a ballad, but it's a humoristic ballad. It's better. This key is better. Sarashtut sitzt in Gassazin, die Gassen machen, die Deutschen machen Pleite. Sie verlieren das Gesund, sie laufen wie Zedrete. Schreit doch Hitler, oi, 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 liebe Machetonim. Treibt mein Neulem nicht azoi, sie fallen auf den Ponim. Ois kommen die Reute, die Reute, die Reute. Ois kommen die Reute, die Leute sind da. Seht schoi dorten Affenberg, Reute von den alle. Jeden seinen neugierig, sie sind die neue Kalle. Sie vor dort Affenberg, breit wie neuach Streve. Jeden freilich in mit Spaß. Wer ist die Nikeve? Ot ist die Katyusha, Katyusha, Katyusha. Ot ist die Katyusha, Katyusha ist schon da. Sitzt dort Hitler in Berlin, ist auf Größe Zores. Läuft sein Reichsarmee, wohin sie deutsch schon auf Kapores. Dacht sich mir a so kimat, a sie wisch die Augen. Steht dort Hering bei der Seite und hebt ihm an zu fragen. Hitler, oi, was weinst du? Was weinst du? Was weinst du? Hitler, oi, was weinst du? Was klagst du? Sag nur mir. And Hitler says, Winter is a Sachen weh, wo sind meine Häusen. Guck nur an die Reichsarmee, sie hat schon volle Häusen. Meine junge Jahr vermisst, hat man mir auftommet. Sie ist gewähnt nach Holland, sie ist so bei der Neschome, weil sie ist gewesen, der Holm gewesen. Sie ist gewesen, der Holm, also sie ist. Efter tut nur Gott an Ness, wie es steht in Bichel. Hitler, oi, vergess, guck das reute Tichel. Guck, wie Stalin weigt auf Feig, ein dieser der Mejuches. Skripet in die Teuren sein Kass, beist wie Teusen Ruches. Die Reichsarmee begroben, die Reichsarmee begroben zu alle schwarze Jahr. Freuen sich die unsere Jiddelech und seinen sie noch freilich. Spielen sie ob die Fiddelech und jeder ist am Meilech. Geläubt ist es mit sein Gewäder, was tut ei bekleben. Sie ist gewesen bitter schwer, nur wir sind geblieben leben. Mazel tov uns alle, Mazel tov uns alle, mir fahren schon heim. Just one song? One song?
Brilliant. I just want to ask one question. We have like 7 minutes, and I think Michael will be with us. Fingers crossed. У меня вопрос к Pasha. So, Pasha, just quickly, in 2 words, do you believe, and if you do, how do you see the future of Yiddish song in the world, on earth, in the 21st century?
There will be many new songs in Yiddish written by beautiful poets, translated in many languages and by a lot of translators, and translated from many languages into Yiddish by new authors, by new Yiddish learners. And there will be a lot of music in all genres, from cabaret, which follows tradition of couplets, silly verses, stupid folk songs, and like sophisticated folk ballads, philosophical folk ballads, and also there will be classic academic songs, like which meet in a certain sense the European classic leader, like Schubertian songs. They will all meet, and there will be like a lot of flowers will blossom, thousands of flowers will blossom, as someone said.
And as you're singing your, I don't know, 1 song or 2 short songs in your 6.5 minutes, I want to remind people to please support Psoy and pay him a lot of money right now as he's singing to you, and then hopefully Michael will be with us quite soon. Please, and thank you very much.
Don't forget about my request about human being, and if it's possible, of course.
Can I do 2 songs?
You're a hero. You started our whole session. You just jumped in, I think, 2 songs. Yes.
I just really want to sing one of them. I didn't plan Human Bienen, so I'll do this for FEMA, but I will also sing another one. Because we just were talking about Leibu Levin. Leibu Levin was born in Chernovitz, and this is the song which belongs to another Chernovitzer, another person whose life is connected with this city. It's a beautiful, uncomparable Yiddish singer and artist, Sidi Tal. And the song is by Boris Bergholz, and this song is called Bobe Meises. In die Winternacht lange kalte, sagt mir mein Bobe, mein Alte, Meiseler erzählen la Welt. Oh, sorry, let me start. In die Winternacht lange kalte, fleckt mir mein Bobe, mein Alte, Meiseler erzählen la Welt. Und ich hab gehört und gequält, wie zum Reben dem Frummen, auf Schabes wegen kommen, Malochen von Himmel auf Gier, und die Rebetzen fleck geben, die Malaches dem Reben, gepfefferte Fische mit Jai. Nur das ist die allein ist gesehen, zurück mit Jahren, die es noch als gewinn. Das hab ich gehört von meinem Bobe, und mein Bobe von meinem alten Bobe. Also ich soll sie von mir in keiner Naches haben, wie ich hab das von Kopf nicht ausgeklärt. Als doch hab ich von meinem Bobbe gehört, in die Zeiten bittere Schwere, beschaß die größte Cholerie, und der Städtel von Reben erzählt, als Mosee von Krankheit geheilt, kedei die Kränk zu vertreiben, fleckt der Tag und Nacht schreiben, Depeches in Himmel aufgier. Und die Nacht ist geschlafen, bis die Cholerie ist entlaufen, und mitgenommen dem Reben mit sich. Nur das hab ich allein nicht gesehen, zurück ist das mit Jahren als gewähnt. Das hab ich gehört von meinem Bobbe, und mein Bobbe von ihr älter Bobbe. Also ich soll sie von mir in keiner Naches haben, wie ich hab das von Kopf nicht ausgeklärt, als das hab ich von meinem Boben gehört.
Pasha, я тебе аплодирую. I'm applauding to Psoy and Pasha. You know what? We've just realized that Michael, unfortunately, will not be able to join us today. There is no internet, and so you see his picture is frozen. So, Pasha, I think we can relax now. We have another 12 minutes until we finish this event. And I would like you to, if you would like to say a couple of words about your projects. I know that people want music and music and music, but maybe after the song or before the song, if you could say a couple of words of what you're working on, anything you want to say about your own creativity in Yiddish song, please do. And I'm going to show the logos of our supporters at some point as well. Thank you.
Дорогие друзья, к сожалению, из-за проблем с интернетом Майкл не сможет быть сегодня с нами, петь сегодня с нами, но мы надеемся, что он будет еще. Мы как-то прорвем решим эту проблему в наших будущих встречах. Но если вы не возражаете, вот мы обратились к Псою с просьбой, предложением спеть еще пару песен и побыть с нами. И мы пока покажем лого наших информационных спонсоров, мы им очень благодарны. И опять же, поддерживайте Псоя, поддерживайте нашу общую копилку, мы будем очень рады. Идем вперед.
Yeah, and Fima, what is how do we say in Moldavian language 7 times? Shapte
or.
Shapteor. And Shapteor, kade means like falls, right?
Kade, да.
Kade tzadik Shapteor. And what is, he falls and he rises up?
Он падает и встает. По-моему, Паша у нас сочиняет песню по ходу. Вот он...
Кады испадает, кады испадает.
Squale pepicioare.
Esquale pepicioare.
Да, встает на ноги.
Esquale pepicioare.
Но squale.
А если and she squale pepicioare and she. So it's like it gotta be like Kade tzadik shapteor is squale.
Squale. Kade squale.
No, we need the second word for the rhythm.
Pepicioare.
She's squale pecioare. I need to write it down.
Pepicioare. Pasha, lomer zingen a bisschen.
This is just fun. You see, these people are creating stuff
it's
as we
for
go
a song.
along.
It's for a song.
We are creating a song.
He's creating a song right here.
Online. Wow.
No, I'm just creating this one. I just creating this one verse because this verse is supposed to be. The song is a nigun. I have written a nigun a couple months ago. A nigun is in 7 languages. One of them is Latin. But today, as my hi to you and to everybody who has a lot of nostalgia. In a good way, I want to substitute Romanian for Moldavian Romanian for Latin.
Romanian, yeah.
Romanian. That's why I'm asking this. That's why I'm asking.
That's right. That's nice. Thank you, Pasha.
Yeah, that's right. Zip. zib-mol, 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 folder zodek, zib-mol, 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 folder zodek, zib-mol, folder zib-m, zib-mol, zib-m, zib-m, zib-mol, zib-mol, folder zodek, zib-mol, folder zib-m, zib-mol, zib-m, zib-m, zib-mol, zib-mol, folder zodek. Cette fois, cette fois, cette fois, cette fois, cette fois, cette fois, tombe le sadique cette fois, 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 tombe le sadique cette fois, tombe le sadique cette fois, tombe il cette fois, cette fois, tombe le sadique cette fois, tombe le sadique cette fois, tombe il cette fois, cette fois, tombe le sadique cette fois, seven times, seven times, seven times, seven times, seven times, seven times, seven times the righteous falls. Seven times, seven times, seven times, seven times, seven times, seven times, seven times the righteous falls. Seven times the righteous falls. Seven times he falls. Seven times the righteous falls. Seven times the righteous falls. Seven times he falls. Seven times the righteous falls. Sete vezes, sete vezes, sete vezes, sete vezes, sete vezes, sete vezes, caiu tzadik, sete vezes, 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 caiu tzadik, 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 șapte ori, șapte ori, șapte ori, șapte ori, șapte ori, șapte ori, cade tzadik, șapte ori, 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 cade tzadik, șapte ori, cade tzadik, șapte ori, cade șapte ori, șapte ori, cade tzadik, șapte ori, cade tzadik, șapte ori, cade șapte ori, șapte ori, cade tzadik, șapte ori, семь раз, семь раз, падал праведник семь раз, семь раз, падал праведник семь раз, падал праведник семь раз, падал семь раз, падал праведник семь раз, падал праведник семь раз, падал семь раз, падал праведник семь раз, шева, и пальцадик, оригинал, шева, и пальцадик, шева 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 и пальцадик, векам, сфолдер цадик зибнул, дарно хептер зехов, падал праведник семь раз, падал и вставал, каю цадик сечи vezes, каю элевата, tombe le sadique cette fois, il tombe, il se lève, cade tzadik, saptior, si square peptuar, sheva i pol tzadik. So how it goes? She square?
Cade tzadik, șapte ori și scoală pe picioare.
Cade tzadik, șapte ori și scoală pe picioare. Падал праведник семь раз, падал и вставал, шева и польцадик, векам семь раз.
Браво, браво, вау.
Bravo. Pash, so 2 minutes to talk about your project and something to finish with?
Oh, I have already talking. I've been talking so much.
Okay,
So I need to
sing,
sing this
sing.
one song for Fima. I need to sing this one.
Not, I hope, Pasha, I hope not only for FIMA, for everybody. Я надеюсь, что эта песня для всех. Я надеюсь, она всем понравится.
Of course, for everybody, because yeah, it's such a great song. I love it so much. I just want to. We arranged it together with Yulia Kabakova in the spirit of Weimar, Yiddish Summer Weimar, where we musically met. And since then, we're creating things together, a lot of musical things. And she plays distantly with the violin right now, but I cannot do it distantly. So I don't know how to play, how to accompany this song in piano. So
Pash, you've suddenly gone quieter. See.
Gone quieter? Yeah, that's good. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me better now? Hear me better now? Hear me better now? Polina?
Absolutely.
Better?
Yes.
Much better?
Yes.
So I just wanted to say that, as I mentioned, I cannot accompany the song without Yulia because I don't know the piano accompaniment. It just needs violin. That's why I sing it a cappella. It's a beautiful song to sing a cappella. It's great. It's the music is. I know the song from Kolya Borodulin, who runs the Yiddish program in Arbeiter Ring, and who is hopefully listening to us now. He had also had some internet issues when he tried to join us, and this song is the lyrics by Emanuel Kazakevich, one of the pioneers of Yiddish of Jewish movement for building Birobidzhan in 30s, and one of the first Yiddish writers in the Soviet Union. And he wrote it for his play, which is called Milch and Honig. Milch and Honig.
Milk and honey.
Milk and
Honey.
Milk and honey. It's about honey makers in Birobidzhan, but also it, of course, it's like it has a lot of biblical symbolic motifs in it about milk and honey, about the promised land and happiness it brings. So whatever we mean by promised land, it can be everywhere. Now we are in a certain kind of new doikite, everywhere at home, but still together. It's interesting experience. So this song is about bees, about what bees can do, and what people also can do. Zoomen, bienen, bienen, zoomen. Es klingt von Weiten nach Harmonie. Und darum ist Wald und Blumen, die Lichte süß wie Honig. Oy sararach ves kein nore, siz die Erd mit Saft vergossen, mach Honig ist geworden, schöne jüdische Parnose, stehen Bienstocken in Reihen. Sie ist die Nacht so levonig, sollen sich die Kinder freien, mit die süßen Linden Honig. Sollen sich die Kinder freien, mit den Linden süßen Honig. Oh, Yisararach ves onanore, siz die Erd mit Saft vergossen, mach Honig ist geworden, schöne jüdische Parnose, mach Honig ist geworden, Schöne Yiddische Parnose, es gesundem Honig süßen, zwischen Felder, Wälder, Bläue, es gesund und hat neue, wird Gedichter Honig fließen, wird Gedichter Honig fließen, es gesund und hat neue. Oh, what a радость! I also translation the whole of its song into Russian, but I will only sing of its chorus. Чтоб не сглазить, вся земля сочится медом. Вот работа всем на зависть, быть пчеловодом. Вот работа всем на зависть, быть еврейским пчеловодом. Махноник из Геворн, шойна идише парносе.
Пашенька, спасибо огромное. Я надеюсь, что ты получишь много парносы за твое выступление. Это было потрясающе, и мы надеемся... Нас видно, нас слышно, да? Нас слышно? Полиночка?
I would like to just say a couple of words first. We will come back to Psoy and have a final Psoy.
Just one thing to say. I hope we're gonna hear Michael, who introduced so many of us, including me, to the wonderful world of Yiddish song. And Michael, I miss you. Ich denk noch dir.
We will reschedule Michael. Unfortunately, he couldn't get in touch with us, even just to text us. So Michael will be with us sometime. Please follow the schedule. We'll be announcing our concerts as we are managing to put them together. The next one will be Rachel Weston from the UK and Slava Farber, two completely different styles, completely different people. I don't believe they've ever met. That'll be quite an interesting evening day event for us. And there is one more thing I want to say, is that all the events we are trying to convince to get permission from each performer to then put these videos on YouTube. So not only Facebook users will be able to see these videos. So today's video will be on YouTube thanks to Pasha's. I think, Pasha, you said we can, right? Let's see. So hopefully we can do that. Please don't forget to support Psoy via his PayPal, and please stay with us.
Yeah, no, I will translate in Russian because I have я переведу на русский, потому что для меня большая честь объявить о том, что в следующий раз, 31 числа, будет концерт моего земляка. Это единственный, я так посмотрел список, единственный участник, который представляет Штеттл. Он родился в Штетле, хотя в молдавском Штетле, маленьком селе, еврейском селе, который живет сейчас в Америке, и замечательной певица из Англии Рэйчел Вестон.
So I just want to mention that I didn't know that Slava Farber is an actual person from the Shtetl. He actually represents the Shtetl.
Да, но это еще не все. Я имею право сказать. Я думаю, Слава на меня не обидится. 31 числа будет еще одно очень важное событие в жизни Славы. У него будет день рождения. Так что приходите с цветами.
Oh wow, the 31st of Sunday when Slava is performing with us will be his birthday. So do come with flowers and wine.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
So I guess this is it. And Michael just texted me, please tell Psoy I miss him too. We missed Michael very much, but this is, the internet. This is how our life is. And it's fantastic that Psoy, you were able to jump in and be a proper real star and just start the whole series of Yiddish song Step Forverts. Thank you very much. Thank you from the heart.